Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr Sudarshan. Today we will learn about Brahmi Thailam, an effective herbal oil used for head massage to relieve hair fall, anxiety, tension, headache, dizziness and lack of sleep. It relaxes the mind. It's a revitalizer and helps keep the mind active. It improves thinking and analyzing capacity in depression patients. In Pitta body type persons, it helps to control anger and maintain calmness. It is useful in schizophrenia patients to reduce aggression and excessive talk. It is also useful in high BP patients. It helps to lower BP, albeit to a small extent. How to use this oil? Sufficient quantity of oil is applied over scalp and forehead, and then gentle massage with tip of the fingers can be done for 10 minutes. In the night, before going to sleep, a few drops of Brahmi Thailam are applied over forehead and temple regions. This improves the quality of sleep. Some people also apply a few drops of this oil on the feet at night for better sleep. It is also used in Ayurvedic treatments like Shirodhara, Shiropichu, etc. Now, let us know the ingredients of Brahmi Thailam. It contains Brahmi. It's a good brain tonic and it reduces stress and anxiety. Amla, that is Indian gooseberry. It is good for hair and skin due to its natural vitamin C content. It prevents wrinkles and premature graying of hair. Sesame oil or coconut oil. Sesame oil is good for Vata diseases and coconut oil is more coolant and good for hair. This oil is manufactured by AVP, Baidyanath, Nagarjuna etc. Ayurveda pharma companies. There are no known side effects with this medicine. It's a revitalizer and helps keep the head area active and bright. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.